Hyundai Grand i10, and this is the condition of the cabin filter or the AC filter which is under the glove box. It's quite dirty, seems it hasn't been cleaned or replaced since a very long time. I'm going to try a quick cleanup using a vacuum cleaner and just dust it off and then order a replacement filter. Shouldn't cost much. And because of this dirt and because of this is completely clogged. The airflow, when I use the AC, the airflow is reduced. Did some basic gentle cleaning using this brush, gently scrub it off, and using this small vacuum and then tapping it off. I removed a lot of dust which are superficial, but you can see it's quite clogged up. So anyways, need to get a new filter. It's clogged up, but for the moment it should be better than the previous condition, and I'm going to install it back. Do it gently, don't wash it. These are paper types, don't wash it, don't because they will tear. Don't rub it vigorously, do it gently, otherwise it will tear, and if it tears then all the dust will go inside your AC compartment, and what's the point of having a filter? So need a basic cleanup, and let's install this back and we'll order a new one. So how it is installed, I'm going to show you. Look at this, you will find an arrow which is pointing downwards. So put your filter this side, the clip is down or this holder is down and the arrow is down, Hyundai is written right, and you're going to put it over here. So there is this slot available and you just need to push it across gently because this wire loom is going to hinder. So just you need to wiggle up gently, ensure that it doesn't get damaged, and just push it across inside this filter. So I'll do it and then show you the rest of the fitting of how to put it back the glove box. The glove box is simple actually, you just need to push it across. So I'll just install this filter in this housing. This is how you do it. As I said, the wire loom is going to hinder. It's a tight space, so yep. Yep, there it goes inside. And yeah, it's done. Just wait a moment. Yeah, this is done. You can find this is installed, and you will find this as a cover. There will be a slot, and then lock it up over here. It would go in a notch inside. And yep, it's done. All the things from my glove box. Let me have a seat. So how does this get closed? So while closing, it's quite simple. These rubber tabs go over here. So this side, the rubber tab will latch up over here. Simple. Just need to push it. So if you push it hard, that's it. It's done. When you want to remove this, what you need to do is push it over here. Bring the rubber out. Same thing from this side. Do it gently at both sides, and then the glove box is going to be out. So cleaning the cabin air filter of Hyundai Grand i10 done. Yep, so the job is done, and this was about the cabin air filter or the AC filter of Hyundai Grand i10, and it took me around 10 odd minutes. As I said, I just tried to do a superficial cleanup of the filter, but it's quite clogged. I'm going to order a new filter. It should not cost much, and that would drastically improve the air circulation and yeah, the quality of air as well because of the nice filter. I'm going to mostly check Boodmo website. That's quite a nice website. You can find the original parts as well as you can find the aftermarket or the alternative parts, and I've been using this Boodmo website since quite some time. They are quite good in their portfolios as well as prices, services, all that. So that's about it. चलो तो फटाफट ग्लव बॉक्स खोल लेते हैं. ये हुआ यहाँ से, इसको दबाया, इसको यहाँ से दबाया, दोनों तरफ से थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको बाहर खींचिए, ये आ रहा है. ठीक है, ये रबर देख रहे हैं आप. बस अगर ये थोड़ा सा बस हो गया, धीरे से निकाल दीजिए. ठीक है, सामान बाद में एडजस्ट कर दूंगा. ये देखा आपको, क्लिप निकाला, क्लिप नीचे गिर गया. और अब फ़िल्टर निकाल लेते हैं. ये रहा फ़िल्टर, मेरा नया फ़िल्टर जो मैंने बताया था, ऑर्डर किया था, वो आ चुका है. तो यहाँ पे क्लिप रहेगा, क्लिप के ज़रिए आप इसको खींच सकते हैं. ये पुराना फ़िल्टर है जो उस दिन मैंने बस ऐसे ही साफ़ करके झटक के लगाया था. तो ये पेपर टाइप फ़िल्टर है, पूरा गंदा हो चुका है, आप देख सकते हो. ये पूरा गंदा है और नया फ़िल्टर आ चुका है, मैं उसके बारे में बताता हूँ. तो ये फ़िलहाल ये पेपर टाइप फ़िल्टर है, पेपर या फोम देख सकते हैं आप. ये इसमें पूरे पोर्स जो होते हैं वो पोर्स पूरे भर जाते हैं. एंड वंस इट इज़ फुल्ली क्लॉग्ड, the filter is fully clogged and the airflow circulation will be restricted. ये ठीक से काम नहीं करेगा once it is clogged. So yeah, I'm going to show you the replacement. Okay, so this is the new filter, the K-Bane filter which I have ordered from Budmo. You can see the model number, and I will try to show you these details. Okay, and this is the new filter. You can see it is kind of a nylon net, and this is the old filter which is like a foam. So this time, instead of this OEM foam, what I've ordered is this kind of nylon net. And this nylon net, you can clean it easily, wash it and then reuse it. And that's what I'm going to try. This is the nylon material, just wash it and again reuse it. However, there is one difference which I noticed. This is a foam type and this is the nylon type. So in the foam type, once the foam and this gets clogged up, the airflow circulation would be restricted, and I think this is a better filtration media than the net type. I feel so that the net would allow smaller particles to escape and go inside, eventually getting more of the dust over here. That's what I feel, and this would restrict most of the dust. So that's what the difference I feel. So I'm going to use this for a couple of months and then again wash it, and then if I feel, I'll order this part number of the OEM. In the description I'm going to put the buy links for both of these, the net type and the foam type. This is the foam type as the OEM. I'll put the description, the link in the description. I bought it from Budmo, so you can get both these items. And I'm just going to install this net type over here. The OEM foam, and this is the net type. You can see in both of them the marking is downwards. So I'm going to use the same method as the marking is downwards and try to show you. The clip would be downwards, the arrow would be pointing downwards, and just you have to gently insert it over here. You need to just push it a bit, and 1 minute. Yep. Just push it gently inside. You might need to wriggle a bit. That's because this particular wiring harness is just obstructing it. So just 1 minute, I'll just install it gently and be back. Yeah, so I gently pushed it, the filter, and then you apply this. There'll be a small kind of a slot, a latch on that side, and then you lock it, this clip over here, and you are done with the cabin air filter replacement for the Hyundai Grand i10. And okay, this mess we are just going to put it in the glove box and just close it up. On the same topic about cabin air filter, I have made two another videos. You can check my channel, and that is about Toyota Fortuner, if I remember, and about Tata Tigor. So overall the fundamentals remain quite same. You can check those videos as well. And yep, that's all for now. If you like this video, do hit the like button. Explore my channel. If you like some of the more contents, you can subscribe me. And yeah, you all take care and be happy. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.